how to connect Logitech G920 to Assetto Corsa on PC. I'm going to tell you how to connect your Logitech G920 to Assetto Corsa on PC. First, plug in your G920's USB cable to your computer and make sure it's powered. Then, install Logitech G Hub if you haven't already. It's a software that lets your PC recognize and configure the wheel. Once it's installed, open G Hub and confirm that the G920 is detected and calibrated. Next, launch Assetto Corsa. From the main menu, go to Options, then Controls. Under the Wheel tab, you should see Logitech G920 listed. If it's not there, hit Set and manually map your steering, pedals, and buttons. Turn the wheel, press the pedals, and assign buttons as needed. To fine-tune force feedback and sensitivity, adjust the in-game settings or tweak them inside G Hub. Once everything feels right, save your preset and hit the track. Your G920 should now be fully working with Assetto Corsa on your PC.